Do you remember my brother? You used to play with him in our backyard. Today he plays with angels in his graveyard. He was a Tutsi, and the sentence was death. That genocide we remember as a mega death. Lucky you were not among the hunted. Do you remember my sister? You sat with her on the same school bench. Recall her funny attempts to speak French. Little did she know her life was to be brief. She was murdered by the men who raped her. Lucky you were just an innocent girl. Do you remember my father? He used to share beer with your father. Their inaugural cigarettes meant being together. But one day, your father chose to be in a corner, watching my dad being slaughtered by the other. Lucky you, your father is a politician in exile. Do you remember my mother? Like yours, she was a teacher at our school. You used to say she always spoke so cool. When she was being slaughtered by those so cruel, your mother only saved the jewel from her neck. Lucky you, your mother is now a peace activist. I did not forget who you are, who played Kibariko and other games of mystery. A childhood friend I lost because of our history. Even though I sometimes judge your sophistry, never shall I doubt the truth of your own story. But please, let's talk about my story today. I did not forget you, brother. He used to listen to French songs with my brother before my brother joined the armed patriots and your brother joined the militia compatriots. When I learned about your brother's death, I was sorry. My brother is now called an army casualty. I did not forget your father, a man in a suit and a tie with big eyeglasses. I can only imagine his discomfort with the masses, in refugee camps with neither food nor houses. I'm sorry he's traumatized by the experience. My father was tortured before he was killed. I did not forget your mother, her hairstyle with a chignon without lines, elegance of the elite's wives of those times. Maybe she committed only petty crimes, and she should not be judged as a murderer. My mother was innocent, but murdered. I'm a poet, not a judge. All I do is telling stories and reciting poetry. The genocide we commemorate every year. The memories we keep every second of our lives. The society of broken hearts and puzzled minds. You and I are products of this history. Yes, I know you also have a story to tell. A story of how your relatives lost their lives. I believe I need to also listen to your story. But today, I have a question for you to answer. Do you remember my siblings and parents? Please tell me you remember them. Today, it's 7 April again. All signposts read Kwibuka, remember? Please, let's remember our compatriots, those innocents killed by their own neighbors. Their sin was a name they never signed for. Yes, I'm sure you can remember. Let the politicians make their speeches. Let the scholars present their research findings. But nothing shall ever explain that tragedy. When millions of hours killed millions of hours, please join me in the remembrance. Both of us say never again to genocide.